Hi, I want to welcome you to our new marketplace. It's called InspiredFun. So the URL is InspiredFun.com. When you come here right now, again, we are not fully live yet. This is in launch process right now. So we're inviting our sellers, which we call creators or sellers. You can see it in both ways in our site. And we invite you to come and join and submit your products. I just want to show you just a really few things about how to register and what to look for with the site. Okay, if you look down here at the bottom of the page, you're going to see all this information. Okay, the standard type of information. The seller information, this is going to be changed in the next couple of days, just to have a more enhanced menu down here. I'm still finishing up the couple of pages, so this type of thing doesn't have the information just yet. What you want to do, two things. First, you're going to want to see the categories so that you can see what. So when you click on that page, you're going to see it's again not formatted 100% perfectly yet, but I wanted to get everything in for you so that you can see all the categories that you have. So here's the main category right now. Again, like I said, this will be formatted very nicely very shortly. So look down, you can see babies and toddlers, bath and beauty, clothing and footwear. There's so many ones that are underneath each other as well. So just try to look for that to find what you're looking for. Okay. And again, this will be updated very shortly. So now to come back to register for the site, just click on the logo, you get back to the home page. The way you're going to start to register is you're going to click on login, and then you're going to click on sign up. And the reason why I'm telling you to log in and to do it from this link is because it'll give you both a user account and you can create your seller's account from this spot. If you do it the other way at the bottom, which is what I'm telling you not to do, it will not give you a user account, and then everybody tries to log in and it causes a problem. So the simple answer is this is a connected account. So just click login here so that you can get started. Click on the sign up button. Okay, we're going to submit the information right here, and I'll show you what happens when you create the account. Okay, so now it says thank you for registering with us right here. Now it did redirect me here, but what I need to do is I need to confirm my account, but you will see up at the top now my name shows. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this link and I'm going to go to my account. Now you can see your user dashboard right in here. This is where you can change your profile, do this. But like I said, this is the user side of things, and this is what your customers are going to see. So that's a good thing for you to see it from this angle as well. Okay, so now you're going to want to click on Activate Seller Account. So you have to hit confirm. Yes, you want to actually do this. And now this is where you ignore the plan information. You guys do not pay. This is free. And remember what I have in the main part of the site, which you'll see in my explanations, that we charge only $1 per order. That's it. That's the flat fee. So you can just ignore this part right now. So you're going to put your store name, whatever you want it to be, in here. And you're going to just watch this where the store URL, this changes in more than one place, and you'll see that in just a moment. So put your store name there. I'm just going to put some temporary information in just so that it carries over so you can see what I'm doing, okay? So I'm just going to call it Amber's Fun, okay? Okay, so now it does say here after the completion of that form, just because it had personal information, I didn't record that obviously. It says you have to be approved. Actually, I'm going to tell you right now, if you go check your email address account, and you will see an email from us. Okay, just so you can see it, still fixing some formatting here, but this is the email that it comes through as, and this is what it looks like. And now it's going to say, click here to approve your account, okay? So you're going to want to do that. I'm just going to copy the link, and I'm going to paste it in here. And there I can go. I can log back in now. So the best way to do it is I can log in here the same. And you can click remember me if you want, and then just hit log in. And now here's your dashboard. I'm going to give you that more information on this in just a few minutes in a new video so that I can walk you through what you have to do.